What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. If you hold 10 billion Tonic, you won't want to miss this video. We're going to dive deep into why holding 10 billion Tonic could set you up for life-changing gains in the future because of all the potential upsides you have with Tonic apart from just the price. There's so much utility and innovative, unique utility that comes from the Tonic project, which will make it a lead competitor in the space as far as DeFi goes, comparing it to top projects like AAVE. You will see that Tonic has so much innovation, so much how should I say, ingenuity when it comes to its protocols, that, you know, Tonic is one of those altcoins that could absolutely crush it going into any you know, future cycles we have, because crypto is never going anywhere. Crypto will be here forever. Digital assets, DeFi, GameFi, you know, CeDeFi, these type of protocols will continue to develop, and they will continue to help shape the earth as we know it, guys, when it comes to a financial perspective, right? We'll see the world embrace crypto one step at a time from different countries, from different countries till it fully takes you know, takes over, right? And even countries like the US will fully adopt crypto, and we will see it used in our day-to-day lives. I have no doubt about that. And your own digital financial banking system with Tonic will be one of those protocols, one of those projects that you know, has huge amounts of mass adoption, where everyone will be using its protocols for passive income rewards, because the team definitely knows what they're doing when it comes to, like, you know, tokenomics, inflation, you know, when, you know, for example, when you have staking rewards or locking in vaults and stuff like that, there is the chance of you know, inflation in the circulating supply of tokens and stuff like that. But the team definitely, from what I see, the team knows what they're doing, and they are gonna be, you know, absolutely on point in the future from what I've seen so far on how they handle the protocol, how it's developed. Remember, guys, as the protocol is used, a lot of the transaction fees that take place in the protocol will help to fund and develop the project even further. So you can't rule that out, guys. We're gonna dive into it. If you hold 10 billion Tonic, 1 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion, 20 billion, how much ever you hold, guys, you won't want to miss this video. If you're interested, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Also, guys, check out all of my previous videos. I'm clicking all over the place. Check out all of my previous videos. Go rewatch all my Tonic videos. This one is a banger right here. Versus Tonic right here. This is another banger right here. Another one, another bet. So many bullish bangers on the channel, guys. Go support my Tonic playlist. And if you hold Crow as well, go support my Crow videos, guys. Now, if you hold 10 billion Tonic, let's go to the website. Earn passive yield and access instant backed loans. Instant backed loans. You will never see that in the typical financial systems, in the typical banking systems that we have now. You will never see instant backed loans ever, right? And what I really believe will be possible for Tonic is institutional adoption, where huge institutions, venture capitalists, take interest in Tonic and maybe have some exposure in their portfolio to Tonic, right? Not just retail investors. The TVL for Tonic, 227 million borrowed, supplied, and 119 million borrowed. You could generate passive yield on your assets. APYs based on dynamic rate according to market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. So passive income rewards for Tonic and APY, it is distributed in such a fair and smart way. The team definitely knew what they were doing with the project. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets into Tectonic. Audited smart contracts. Security, main factor in crypto. You know, a lot of protocols have failed because of lack of security. Tonic is not lacking on that front. New utilities coming soon with its insurance fund, where 10% of the interest paid by borrowers goes to an insurance fund, used in the event that under collateralized loans are not properly liquidated. and the project is open source as well, because this is DeFi. This is decentralized finance, guys. This is where you control your funds, your assets, and you know, there's no big brother looking down and monitoring all of your transactions, and you know, trying to take whatever they can from you as the average honest working person, the person that's making an honest living, right? If we enter the app of Tonic real quick, just to show you, remember there's vaulting, you know, as well, staking. There's partnerships that Tonic has been doing as well. We'll go through it all, guys. And right here we have some of the APYs that you see right here. 16.84% APY for the borrow, 3.7% for the supply. Guys, the utilization of this protocol is super bullish. As far as DeFi goes, this is one of the, you know, in my opinion, one of the most innovative DeFi protocols I've seen. I've seen a lot of them, and that Tonic is one of the most innovative ones, right? When we take a look at Chronos chain right here, number one in TVL on Chronos chain, Tectonic, $231.38 million in TVL total value locked. If the TVL matches Tonic's market cap, that's a 10x right there. Yeah, 10, 11, 12x right there, guys. If the market cap starts to match Tonic's TVL, we see when when the market turns around and gets more bullish, and then Chronos starts to go through a mass adoption phase, we'll see the TVL stop being flatline, and it's gonna start moving up again, and Tonic will start getting more TVL, VVS, Pharaoh, Finance. Number one though on the chain is Tonic, and this is why I'm saying, you know, the more people that get into the Crow ecosystem, one of the altcoins that they're going to look into first is Tonic. And for you that's holding 10 billion of those, you're going to be positioned in a great place, right? You're going to be absolutely ecstatic. Another thing, guys, Tonic has never been through a bull run. It came out literally at the start of the bear market, in the worst market conditions. It's never been through a full bull cycle. So imagine, with all of this accumulation, all of this sideways, right? All of this, you could think of it as, you know, accumulation, as a slingshot that is being stretched, and it's only a matter of time until it's released and then sent to the upside, guys. A lot of charts look like that. When you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. A lot of charts look like this. They're just sideways, 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 and now they're starting to make a move back up, because you could think of it as like it's going to be, for example, let's take a look at Crow, for example, right? Let's take a look at the top dog, the big brother. Look, a bunch of sideways accumulation, and then the slingshot releases. Then we have the big break to the upside. We'll see that. We could definitely see that in Tonic as the time goes by, guys. 10 billion Tonic right now is worth $1,881. $2,000 for 10 billion Tonic, guys. An investment like that is what, you know, majority of people could invest around maybe $1,500, $1,000 in an asset is, I would think, the average person, that's what they can afford, right, to lose, right? $1,000 to $2,000 sounds about right. When we start to get to like $5,000, $7,000 in a project, you know, I would think the average person can afford it, but you know, that's a lot of money to risk, right? So $10 billion, 10 billion Tonic, $10 billion, 10 billion Tonic, and $1,800, guys, is not bad. If we compare Tonic to a market cap of, for example, hold on, my mistakes. We compare it to the market cap of an AV, for example. That is a 53.97x from here, right? 53.97x. Right now, 10 billion Tonic is $1,877, right? And if we go to, you know, we compare it to the market cap of AV, because Tonic is very similar to AV as far as DeFi goes. That's a 53.97x times 53.97. That is $100,000 from $2,000 invested, guys. And who's to say that can't happen? Who's to say that is not possible? The potential growth for Tonic, you can't rule out these potential gains. And 10x to 50x to 100x, who knows what could happen in the future. But yeah, upside potential for Tonic is huge because of its utility, the community, and everything that it's involved with, being a part of the Crow ecosystem, Chronos chain, being one of the top altcoins on Chronos. When more and more people get into Chronos and the retail institutions, more as Chronos becomes the Amazon of crypto, I keep saying that, Tonic will be one of the altcoins that gets a lot of shine and follows Crow. Telling you guys, Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Really appreciate all the support. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, leave a super comment, super thanks in the comment section, and become a channel member for updates on all of my content early and shout outs as well. I could always make a community group for the members so we could talk and interact as the channel grows. Thank you all so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.